How to recover disabled Discord account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover disabled Discord account. To recover disabled Discord account, first of all, you need to ensure and understand why your account was disabled. If you have previously disabled your account by yourself, then now to recover this disabled Discord account, you will need to use your email address and password and then log into your account. A verification code will be sent to your email address to recover your account. But if your Discord account is disabled due to violation of their terms of service or any other suspicious activity, then you need to check any email from Discord. Discord usually sends an email to the address associated to your account. The email often includes the reason for disabled account and steps to recover your account. If you haven't got any email from Discord, then you may also go to the Discord support page and there submit an appeal. For that, open a new tab on your browser, then type in Discord support. Now press the enter button. Here select this Discord support or support.discord.com link from here, and once you click on it, you will be taken to the support page of Discord. And once you reach to this page, here at the top you will find submit or request option. Tap on this option. And now here you need to select the region or the issue. Click on the box and here select the option based on your issue. Once you have selected the region for your issue, now here enter your email address. After that, here you need to select the type of question and click on this checkbox right here to ensure that you are the server owner or the admin. Then here you need to add a subject. Once you have entered the subject, here you need to scroll down and add a description about it if you want. Also, you can add the server ID of your Discord if you want, but this one is optional. Also, if you have any file related to your issue, you can click on this add file and then attach the file here. Now after entering all the details, click on the submit button right here. Now once the request has been submitted, this process can take a few days. Make sure to reply with the request to facilitate the recovery of your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to recover disabled Discord account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.